Hey glow getters, it's Kim Giddy here, bringing you everything from money moves to makeup magic. Let's dive in. From my work bestie, and I was very shocked because I didn't expect anything for my birthday. I don't know why, but I just didn't. And she just came with this in the morning. And one thing I like is the fact that she bought like almost everything I ever wanted. And I didn't know what like she's actually taking notes. So this small one had a chocolate and a glass. Let me go and get this other day after work. We were at Pep and I was looking for things for my birthday or whatsoever, because I initially wanted to do a photo shoot but I ended up not doing it. But anyways, we saw those cute glasses and I liked it, so she actually noticed paper bag. There was this glass with a pair of pink slippers, which is the one I'm wearing now, but I don't know why I'm wearing like the left is on, the right is on my left or whatsoever. And then she also got me pajamas and it was my exact size. So that day I also saw this at Pep, so she also got me this. It's a fleece. Is it a fleece or a funnel? Whatever, but it's like a blanket for my bed and it's white. So I have like black and white bedding now. So there's also a message here. Cute baby, I love you. You can just pause to read that. And she also got me this. It's like big bed for my floor. I've been wanting it and I am so happy. You actually know what you are growing when you start getting gifts that like this. Like you're no longer getting chocolates, chips, biscuits, drinks on your birthday. Like you're getting house stuff. And then I got myself this as well for my birthday. It's also at Pep. That's the amount, so please don't ask. So we're gonna put this on or whatsoever. But anyways, let's get to it. We're gonna first have to put the matte part. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the shoes, hey. And then I need to buy a mirror and remove the one I have there. Let me show you. So currently these are the things that are on the floor. So it's those. I need to throw this one away because I don't know where the other thing is. And even this one is no longer working. Like, how do I recycle this? Because the light is not working. The other thing, I don't know where it is, but these are the shoes that are on the floor. Funny thing is, I bought things from Demo to put my shoes in, but I barely put my shoes in there because I almost always use them. So we're gonna place the mat here. Look at the shoes. These are the shoes my friend bought for me. I don't know why I'm wearing them like so, but anyways, we're just gonna remove everything and then we'll put the mat and then we'll put back everything.
It's the little things that get me high. Won't you come with me and spend the night? Just a little thing for you and I. And if it's meant to be, then that's alright. It's the little things that get me high. Won't you come with me and spend the night? Just a little thing for you and I. And if it's meant to be, then that's alright. It's the little things that get me high. Won't you come with me and spend the night? Just a little thing for you and I. And if it's meant to be, then that's alright. It's the little things that get me high. Won't you come with me and spend the night? Just a little thing for you and I. And if it's meant to be, then that's alright. It's the little things that get me high. Won't you come with me and spend the night? Just a little thing for you and I. And if it's meant to be, then that's alright. It's the little things that get me high. Won't you come with me and spend the night? Just a little thing for you and I. And if it's meant to be, then that's alright. And if it's meant to be, then that's alright.
I'm about to do this table thing, but I have managed is to put back everything. You see? Let's do this.
Me and my people be rolling, scheming on you and your homie. Every first day of summer, all grown down in the Hummer thing. Hit the park and parlay. Hope that you walk this way. You and your girls on the ride. Play all day, talk on the line. Say what, say what, say what. You know that I like it, baby. Ooh, girl, you know what's up, and you know what I need. Ooh, say what, say what, say what. You know that I'm about it, baby. Ooh, girl, you know what's up. I'm digging you. I'm feeling you. Girl, you know what's up. I'm digging you. I'm feeling you. Girl, you know.
Okay, so everything is done. I did set up my table. Look at it. It's so tall. I didn't think it was gonna be this tall, but yeah. I just need to know how to recycle those two things, because I can't just throw them away on the bin. And then now I need to buy a new mirror, and I think I need to buy a new box or whatsoever, but I will try to see what's in there and then take out things that have to be taken out or whatsoever. And some of the shoes, I don't know. I think I need to buy 2 more or 5 more of those so that those 2 pairs go there. Or I don't know. But this is what we have. Hiya. That's me, obviously. Yeah, so this is currently what we have. Look at my mat. It's so big and spacious whatsoever. Those are my toes. So that is done. Part 3 of revamping my room is done. Now I just need those 2 frames for there, and then we'll see if I will be able to afford a chest of drawers so that I can remove the thing I have and put a chest of drawers. So 2 things, 3, 4 things that have to be done, as the 2 photo frames, 2 is to buy a mirror, 3 is to see if I can get like an affordable chest of drawers, then 4 is to buy like those small chairs. I don't know where exactly will I put this table, because that side I can't. If ever I put it there, then I won't be able to close I won't be able to open or close my wardrobe. So I'll still have to decide. But this is part 3. Stay tuned for part 4. Anyways, this is KD. Thank you so much for watching up until this end. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you, baby. And if you are a new subscriber, welcome to the family. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you. Bye.